guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hey, what's up? My name is Vanessa. And as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be filming a grunge 90s inspired video. Please apologize, my daughter in the background. We are in quarantine, so yeah, I can't lock her in a bedroom. Wait, she's a little noisy. Actually, she's noisy like mum. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this makeup, skin, eye look really simple, please just keep on watching. So I have nothing on my face, like absolutely, skincare, that's about it. Alright, so as you can tell by my skin, it's pretty shit, so. Where's my hair tie? Okay, so we're gonna get straight. Like I said, I've done my skincare, moisturized, washed my face. So this is what we're working with. So I'm just gonna go with the Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer. It's like a little kit that I got when I purchased. I got like a few things to try out. Really expensive, but whatever. We're going to go in with the NARS Super Radiant Booster as well. So it does give your skin a bit of a glow. I like to do concealer, which is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the color Almond. This has been a lifesaver since my skin's been pretty shit lately. Oh, and the noise, that's my daughter watching TV, so. Skin is improving. And then I'm just going with a Face Shape 110 brush by Louisa. So, see, so much better already. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix two foundations. I'm gonna use the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation, which as you can tell is like super dark. That's when I was fake tanning, really dark, but I think I bought it too dark. And then the Kat Von D in the color Light Neutral. Just gonna mix these two together because I fake tan, so this is my non-fake tan skin. This is just to deepen it up, so. I'm just going to use a Silk Finish Sweeper brush, and then I just pat. That's how I mix the foundation on my face. So we're just going to go back in with the concealer. This is now just to go underneath the eyes. I don't actually apply too much product because, like, I don't. I forgot to mention I ordered this jacket off a website called Lorna Jane, which is like activewear. Pretty pricey stuff, I won't deny. And you know, they sent me an email saying, you know, stuff's on special, yada yada yada. And I found this camo jacket. It is like, it was literally made for me, I'll be honest with you. And because everything's like on sale, because you know, stores are closed and everybody's like doing more online shopping and whatnot. And kid you not, I got The jacket was originally $259 Australian dollars. And it was on special for $80, and they had my size. It was literally like calling my name. But I had this website link, or not link, but it's like you download it to your like Chrome Explorer or whatever, so when you go in to make a purchase, it will start searching all the promos, even if you don't know if there is a promo on. And I ended up saving another $10, so I got the jacket for $70. It took around a week to get here because they're usually a little bit on the slower side with the shipping, but the jacket is like freaking amazing. Oh, I can't even explain it to you. It's just crazy amazing. All right, so I'm just gonna go in with this Stila concealer in the color Deep, and I'm just using a brush from BH Cosmetic. That was a lot of product. That's right. I was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment. Oh, and for that honey website thing, I'll leave it down below. I'm not sponsored. Look, they don't even know who I am, but I'm helping you guys out. You'll think. Makeup. No, man. Yeah. I'm just setting my foundation with the KVD Vegan Beauty Locket Translucent Powder. Mommy, edit. She likes. Alright, we're gonna get straight into the eyes. So I'm just gonna use the Peaches palette by Too Faced, and we're just gonna go in with the color Nectar. Just using a fluffy brush just to set. Sorry, not Nectar, White Peach. I don't know what I was saying. Alright, so the next color we're going to go in is Puree, which I think is like one of my favorite colors. I'm just using a 221 Luxe Soft Crease brush. Always tap off excess. So then we're going to go in with Summer Yum, which is a little bit redder. And then I'm just going to go in with a 227 Soft Definer brush. It's a little bit like tapered, kind of. I'm just going to put in this area, socket. How's everybody feeling about this whole quarantine situation? I mean, Australia is actually doing really good. Like, our numbers are pretty low. You check on the world meter, we've actually moved down the list. So that means, you know, majority of the people are staying at home. People are still getting it, which is, you know, a bit annoying, but hopefully it's not elderly. Then I think I might bring this the Summer Yum color down onto the lid as well. I'm just going to quickly do the brows. I'm just going to use this NYX micro brow pencil, and I use the color Brunette. I wish I had a darker color, but that's just gotta work with what you get, right? Brows literally make a difference to an eye look. Like, oh, you don't even have to wear makeup, and if you have your brows done, everything is fine. Brows are literally the nipples of the face. I'm just gonna add a bit of Gimme brow by Benefit. You know what, I'm gonna do this off the camera. Now that top eyes are done, going in with some lashes, I'm gonna use the Glamour Ardell lashes. I was gonna use the wispies, but I just ruined them. So while the glue dries, we're gonna do the under eyes. Same with Peach's palette. You're literally just gonna need one brush. You start with the lightest and you work down to the darkest. So I'm just gonna use this 230 Luxe pencil brush by Zoeva, and we're gonna go in with Puree. I'm just gonna rub it all underneath. It's alright if it's a bit strong, we'll fluff it out. And then you're gonna go into Charmed, which is that color just there. Charmed Unsure. And then we're just gonna put it on half the center of the eye outwards. Just get a fluffy brush. I'm just gonna use this soft crease Flux brush. And with no product, just. In the meantime, we are going to contour, which I haven't done in a really long time, so I'm just gonna use this NARS Lita brush or something. Oh, and I'm using Stila by Benefit. I want to get caramel or something. And then I'm going to go in with bronzer. I'm going to use the MAC Dark Tan. It's quite... Mommy. Yes, Selena? And just with my BH Cosmetics brush, stippling brush, just... Okay. We're going to put these lashes on. They should be done. I'm really liking that. Okay, so we're gonna go in with blush. I'm gonna use the Milani Carolina. I usually use that other one that's Luminoso, which is really popular and really pretty and really affordable. I'm just going with a Zoeva brush. It's just the 126 cheek finish, and like everything else, just tap it on. And it has like a good sheen to it, so if you like the glowy look, bear in mind I did put glowy enhancing products, so I'm gonna put some setting spray. This is just the Mecca Max. Bottle's a little dirty. I like it. Just gonna fix up the eyeliner. I'm gonna put some mascara. I always do it after I do the setting spray. Don't ask. Yeah. I'm gonna do some highlight. I'm just gonna use the Becca Champagne Pop. It's pretty. Like my moustache. Let's tint the lips. I'm just gonna use the Jordana retractable pencil in Coco Loco. Then I'm just gonna go with the Kat Von D or KVD. So it's a liquid lipstick in the color Bow and Arrow. Actually, I'm just gonna use a different lip liner, which is Cabernet, also by Jordana. So there you have it, guys. That is the final look. I actually really like it, and as you can tell, I only used 2 colors on the eyelid and 2 colors on the bottom. So it's like really easy, yet I really like it. So what do you guys think? So skin looks good, even though you saw my skin at the beginning, it looked pretty shit. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of me and my face, please hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I upload, just hit that notification bell. It is down below. I'll leave all my social media down below if you want to follow me or check my pages out, whatnot. So I'll see you guys in my next video.